Hi guys, pay attention to this common mistake that we always do in maths. 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is what? 0 times 2 minus 2 is what? 0. 0 times 0 will give us 0. This answer is not correct. Let's solve the correct answer. The correct answer is this. According to BODMAS, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. And bracket comes before division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we are going to place these two in brackets. So this minus is affecting this 2 here. So minus 2, that is 2 times 2 now. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Bring down your 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is plus 2. There's a visible plus here. There's an invisible plus here. Plus 2 we cancel out this minus 2. And what we have left is what? Minus 4. So therefore, your final answer is what? Minus 4.